Hello guys, welcome to School Tech Discovery. And today, like I've always promised you guys, I want to be teaching you guys things about cryptocurrency. And today I want to start teaching you guys about Binance. Though I promised that I'll be taking you guys on the basics of cryptocurrency to the apex. But I've been trying to work on that video for a long time now, and it's not that easy. So I just felt like I should drop this video because I know some people here in my channel actually need these things. So if you're new to my channel, basically what I do is that I go out there to make an extensive research on how to make money online and so many other unique things. And whenever I get this stuff tested, because I must get them tested and trusted. So I bring it forward to my channel for my fans, those who are my subscribers, to learn. So that's what I do here. Please, so if you think this channel is for you, please just kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop my beautiful and awesome content, YouTube will be able to notify you so that you won't miss any of my video. And please, if you find this video interesting, please do not forget, give the like button, smash the like button for me so that YouTube will be able to recommend this video to other audience that are also interested. So let's get started about Binance. So I know so many people will be probably be wondering what's that Binance. You probably be hearing about Binance, or if this is your first time, I just want to tell you what Binance is all about. Binance is an exchange platform that it's a very big exchange platform that literally I could say it's all over the world or most of the part of the world, and it's a place where it connects people to do peer-to-peer system, that's the P2P. It connects crypto buyers and sellers and help them to put their coin on escrow so that nobody gets cheated. So, but that depends on the country. Like country, for example, country like Nigeria, probably Saudi Arabia, country that the government do not support cryptocurrency, and probably they've told the bank not to engage in cryptocurrency. So that's what Binance will now do the P2P system, connect the buyer and the seller, which they tends to transact properly without any issues. So I've actually dropped a video on P2P. I'm going to be dropping the description of the link below the description of this video, so that if you want to know more about P2P, how to do it, especially if you're from Nigeria, you can get that done. So let's just quickly get started about Binance. So how do you register Binance? It's a very simple thing. The link will be below below the description of this video. So don't get panicking, just go there, check the link, click the link, and it take you to where you sign up to Binance. So I just want to show you guys how this thing is done so that you don't get it twisted. So alright, yeah, right now I'm at the page of Binance, the link where you sign up. It says create a free account. Actually, you don't pay anything in Binance. You don't have to pay anything. It's completely free to sign up. So all you just do right now is to sign up the account. Let's just say, okay, I want to sign up right now. It's very simple. uh let's use a mobile number for us to sign up. As you can see, you can use email or you can use your mobile number. So you click your country code, for example. Can you see? So this is number. Okay, let me look for, let's say I'm currently in Nigeria. Okay, let me just search Nigeria, okay, as the country code. And I just want to show you something briefly. So what you need to do next is to put the code. Okay, as you can see right now, it's actually loading. So that's the number I prefer to use right now. So all you need to do is to put a password. Now it says the minimum of 8 characters, at least one uppercase and at least one number. So I could just say score. Okay, I could just say Scotech, capital letter S, Scotech Discovery, for example. as my password. We have 8 characters, at least more part, and maybe Cotec Discovery, then one letter, one number. So medium. You agree? This is terms and condition. You agree to Binance terms and condition. Then you create account. Now you see. So you have to pass this security verification. This will enable Binance that this will enable Binance to know that you are not a robot. So you fit in. You don't forget this is this thing you're seeing right now. You have to fit in this thing to this place. Okay, you have to fit in exactly to show Binance that you are not a robot. So that's done. Can you see? It's successful and it's actually loading right now. So it's a way. So they are gonna send you a verification code. You get it? So they are gonna send you a verification code, and once they send you that verification code, okay, as you can see right now, it says 22163013606. So can you see? Oh, sorry. Okay, let me just copy and paste. I couldn't see what I. So I think I made a mistake. So okay, I have to just cancel this whole thing. What is it again? Let's come again. So it says success. See, success. So it's actually loading, as you can see right now. So it's going to tell you that welcome to Binance. That's what it's going to tell you, that welcome to Binance. So as you can see, it says welcome to Binance. Start your crypto journey with a partner you can trust. Okay, so you go to dashboard. So this is you've created a Binance account. Basically, you can now have wallet address where you can send your Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, whatever coin that Binance can host, because it is not all the coin Binance host. Examples of coin that Binance do not host is um let's say sheep, TNC, Trinity Network coin, Safe Moon. There are other kinds of coin that Binance do not host, but there are other platforms that I'm going to be bringing to you guys that they host other coins. So it all depends on the platform. There are some platforms that host some coin, and there are some platforms that does not host some coin. Like previously, Coinbase don't host Dogecoin, so it was recently they started hosting the coin Dogecoin. So it all depends. So you have to find platforms that host a particular coin for you to be able to, so that you can keep your coin there and invest and trade them. So it's very simple. So the next thing that it's going to show you is the security system. You get it? So you can see email verification. What I have to do now is to put the email verification, Google authentication. But I'm not there to teach you guys right now this. I'm going to be dropping a video on that later, so that you can understand. So it's a what I'm just trying to say is that I'm going to be dropping this video gradually, so that I don't get confused you. I don't want to waste your time. So I'll be creating a playlist called Binance, where I'm going to be dropping this video. Everything about Binance will be about that playlist, will be on the playlist, I mean to say. So as you can see right now, you have to do verification, and that verification enables you to from email to your, if you've done your phone number, to Google authentication, to your face, to your ID, and the likes like that. So that's because, so that you can trade. When you verify, they allow you to trade on P2P, the peer-to-peer system. So basically, that's what this is how to create Binance. So please, if there's any of my video that's impacted something to you in any way, kindly smash the like button for me, and subscribe this channel, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop my content, you guys will miss out. And if you know this, please kindly share, because a lot of people don't know about all these things, and they've been hoping to learn. They've been hoping to learn, and they've been looking for people to teach them. So you can help me to share and get the audience that that really needs all this video, so that they can learn. A lot of people go out there, they pay money, and I'm doing this thing free for you guys. Free for you guys. The only reward I need from you guys is just to hit the subscribe button for me, smash the like button, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop my beautiful some content, YouTube will be able to notify you. So thank you so much. Please make a comment about this video if you really like it, or you dislike it, and tell me how to improve. I really appreciate it. I remain Scott Tech Discovery. Thank you so much.